Do you know many people are having trouble with connecting their new smartwatch? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Power it on. Turn on your Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 by pressing the home button until it powers up. Select your preferred language and region, then allow the watch to restart. Step 2. Get the app. Ensure the Galaxy Wearable app is installed on your phone. Download the app from the Galaxy Store or Play Store if you don't have it already. Step 3. Launch app. Open the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone and make sure it's updated. Tap Start to initiate the connection process between your phone and watch. Step 4. Select device. Select your watch from the list of available devices within the app. Use Get Help for troubleshooting if your watch is not visible. Step 5. Complete setup. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the setup and connection. The app will guide you through the core functionalities of your watch. With these steps, your Samsung Galaxy Watch 8 should now be connected and ready for use. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other Samsung users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.